What's up, guys? Got a Mini Cooper in here where the customer wanted to convert it to an S-type Cooper. All right, so he changed the bumper, and that's why you'll see it's two different shades of blue because he changed the bumper. So what we did from him was convert it to a dual system. We deleted his muffler, which was previously on the passenger side, deleted it back here, all the piping, and then put a custom Y pipe in so we could split it to two tails and two gold tips because the theme of the car is going to be gold wheels and a black car or something along those lines. But all we did was convert it for him, and it should have a little bit of sound.